Hello guys and welcome to another video. So now today I'm gonna show you how to install a mod on Euro Truck Simulator 2. So now without losing any time, let's get started. So first of all guys, this is the last tutorial on this channel, but don't worry. I will create a new channel only for tutorials that will name Payback Tutorials, and it will exist later, like maybe in June 2020. And now let's get started for the download of the mods. So first, there are two ways to download a mod on Euro Truck Simulator 2. You can download one from the Steam Workshop, which I will do now, and there will be a second way that I will show later on the video. So first of all, you're gonna type Euro Truck Simulator 2 Workshop Steam, and there we go. Now I think it is this one. Now you're gonna click on the second link, and there we go. Now you have all mods. You can choose from truck parts to brand of trucks, event. You can even show incompatible objects, but this is not practical because you don't want an incompatible object in your Euro Truck Simulator copy, because it will never boot if you do this. But first I'm gonna search for a mod like realistic head light. There we go. I'm gonna search for a mod like this. I'm gonna take this one. I think it works. So first of all, what you're gonna do is that you're gonna do subscribe to the mod, and there you go. Now you just have to launch the game, and we're gonna see where the mod is after. So there we go. Here we are on Euro Truck Simulator 2. And now what you're gonna do to launch the mod is mod gestionary. There it says new mods detected because I already downloaded the mod. No, the mod like the one that I clicked subscribe on it. So there we go. So first of all, you're gonna click on the mod, and you're gonna click on this arrow there, and after that you're gonna click confirm modifications, and you just have to launch the game. But I want to show you something else. If you want, you see it's active, but if you want to unactivate it, you just have to click on it on active mods and click on this arrow right there, confirm modifications, and there we go. So now I'm gonna show you another way to install a mod on Euro Truck Simulator 2. Now what you're gonna do is that when you found your mod, so me, I'm gonna take Scania S dashboard computer. You click on download. It is in the description of a YouTube video. There we go. And this is an, make sure that your file is an .scs file, because an .sii file is an American Truck Simulator 2 mod. So there we go. It will say zip, but inside, when the download will be finished, it will say that it's an SIR file or SCS file. So there we go. I'm gonna click confirm download, free download. Okay, so now my download will begin in a few seconds. There we go. It's already downloaded. So now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna go on our file explorer, downloads, Scania S dashboard pack.zip. I'm gonna do extract all, extract. There we go, it's already extracted. Now I'm gonna click delete. There we go, it is SCS file, so it is okay. So now I'm gonna copy the two files. I'm gonna click right click, copy. There we go, I'm gonna go to this PC. And it's really important, you have to copy it in documents, Euro Truck Simulator 2, and mod. And there we go, I'm gonna click paste. They're here. So now to see if the mod is working again, we're gonna go on the game. There we go, it's launching. So it's normal if it has in-game sounds, because I have retired it, because last time I think you guys cannot listen to me well, so that's why I've done this. So now there we go, we're gonna see if the mod is working. Okay, you see, it says new mods detected. I'm gonna click on it. So if you see an image on the mod right there, it means that the mod works and you can put it there. So again, what you're gonna do is that you're gonna click on it, you're gonna click this arrow and confirm modifications. But me, I don't want this mod, that was just a demo, so I'm gonna undo it. There we go. Yes, I want to quit it. I'm gonna quit the game. So that was it for the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and we're gonna see us next time in another video. So now, bye!